Welcome to Orlando, Florida. This is Convention District News, where you'll get the inside scoop on all of the great services offered at the Orange County Convention Center. In this episode, we will discuss the new signage that is going up around the Orange County Convention Center. And joining me today is Kathy Canning, General Manager at the Convention Center. Welcome, Kathy.
Thank you, Gwen.
Now, tell us a little bit about all this new signage. I've seen signage out on International Drive and Universal and around both of the buildings. It looks fabulous. Tell us a little bit about it and what's coming up.
Well, thank you. We are finally at a point where we are trying to get all of the convention district signage where it matches, it makes sense, people can find where they're going. Right now we are, the signage you've seen outside is mostly wayfinding, and what we're going now is to do some internal wayfinding signage where you'll see some digital signs, changeable signs, directing people all around the campus, inside and outside.
Okay, now will there also be another phase to this?
The third phase, and the next phase will be where you will see opportunities to do some promotion, advertising, and wayfinding on massive, large digital signs which will be attached to the building. As well, we're looking at developing an area where when you come into the district, there'll be signs that say, "Welcome to the Orange County Convention Center," so you know you are in the zone, so to speak.
Right. You've entered the district.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Now, I've also seen that obviously the west building is blue, the south building is yellow, and the north building is orange. Will that continue throughout all of these phases?
Well, now remember, you do have the west, the north, and the south. We've got that all established for the concourses. Mm-hmm. We wanted to make it a little bit easier for people to remember where they are and where they're going when they're coming to a new event. So you've got the W, which is for water, which is going to be blue. So everything will be blue on the west side. Mm-hmm. On the north side, for N, you have nature, which will be orange, everything on the north side. And then on the south side, which will be yellow for the sun, you will see the color consistently throughout. So if people are lost or trying to remember where they were, they'll have a couple of opportunities to remember.
Okay. Now that color coding will also coincide with the parking lots as well.
It will coincide with the parking lots, and all of this is scheduled to be completed sometime in 2013.
Oh, that's wonderful information. Well, thank you for joining us today, Kathy, and I'm sure our clients will really appreciate all of this information and see all of the great things coming with the signage.
Thank you. Thanks, Gwen.
Remember, the Orange County Convention Center has the services you need to make your convention a success. If you have any questions or would like additional information on the wayfinding signage, please visit the press section of the Orange County Convention website. Thank you for joining us today.
If you would like more information on the program you've just seen, please contact the Sales and Marketing team toll-free at 1-800-345-9845 or email them at marketing@occc.net. Welcome to the Center of Hospitality, the Orange County Convention Center.